Hello everyone, welcome to Art Crumbs, and today we are going to draw something very beautiful on our country India. For that I have taken here an A4 size drawing sheet, already marked the borders, and now drawing a very important element of this drawing. Also I would like you to know कि हर drawing के कुछ important parts होते हैं, जैसे कि first is a sketching, then we do the coloring, outlining, and yes, at last highlighting. तो उस हाईलाइटिंग के लिए एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टिप आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर इन दिस वीडियो एंड डोंट मिस इट आउट. यू कैन फाइंड इट आउट फॉर योरसेल्फ कि उस टिप की वजह से योर पोस्टर कैन लुक वेरी अट्रैक्टिव. सो अभी वी आर ड्राइंग दिस सर्कल. कैन यू गेस व्हाट वी आर ड्राइंग हियर? Yes, any guesses? So actually this is the Ashoka Chakra and also the symbol of peace as this dove already is. We are also showing the green leaves. I've already started and done half of the outlining. The different products that I am using, all of them are tagged, or if you want any kind of alternates for those, you can ask me in the comment section, or if you have any queries you can also let them know me and I'll definitely answer that. Apart from that, just focus that once your outlining is done, just erase your pencil marks and we'll start with the coloring then and there. So time to reveal that golden tip now, and the tip is very important. See how I am circling. I am making those circles for that cloud kind of texture. ये जो circles बना रहे हैं, this is really important. इससे बहुत अच्छा look आता है and it also helps us in the blending. If you will do it like straight coloring, it will never give you that kind of effect. So actually highlighting it with a light color with the help of those circular movements is the star part of this drawing. Once you highlight it with a light color, do use a darker color. I am using here cerulean blue hue. You can also use ultramarine blue here and that will also look equally good. Or after that we are done, like blending you have to do. I hope that you like the tips that I have told you, and also if you found this drawing useful, then don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. If you have any queries, you can mention them in the comment section. You can find all the products that I use in the video in the tagged section, and still you can ask me questions. And if you want to have more drawings on Independence Day, then let me know in the comments. Till the next time, take care. Bye bye, friends.